In this video, we are going to see that if you want to email your client about a specific meeting, but you want to send them in the form of calendar so that they can mark that date or add that date in the reminders in their Outlook as well. So here's what you can do. First of all, just click on the new email, and here let's mention a subject. So for example, this is the email content that you want to send to the specific person, and you want them to save the date and time automatically directly on the calendar that we have sent. So let's go to the insert option, click on calendar, and we want to highlight the specific date. For example, specify dates. We want to mention it for the 15th December. So 15 December is Monday. Calendar types are mentioned here. Availability only, time will be shown as free, busy, tentative, working, elsewhere. So these are some of the options. Include availability and subjects of calendar items only, includes availability and full details of calendar items. So click on show in the advanced section. Include details of the items marked as private, include attachments within the calendar items. So I don't think we need this. Click OK. And what this will do is it will include a complete calendar with the date highlighted, as you can see. And you can see that it is attached as an attachment, but when the other person will open that, provided they have the same Outlook, or at least they will be using Outlook, only then they should be able to respond and save that date. Let's click on send. And here we have this email received. Please note that the date and timing for the meeting. Once we click on open, you can click on this particular date in order to see the details, and that's how you can send a complete calendar along with the details about the event effectively in Outlook. Just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.